Hello and welcome students. Today we will study about the process of photosynthesis. As you know that photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food, and this process is done by the leaves of the plants and also some other green parts of the plants like stem or branches, green branches. They also take part in the process of photosynthesis. But mainly the leaves are the food factory of the plants. Before discussing about this process, I want to tell you something about cell. As you know that a cell is the structural and functional unit of any living organism. A cell is the structural and functional unit of any living organism, and you must be knowing about the structure of a cell. There are two types of cell, plant cells and animal cells, and a prominent structure, nucleus, is also present in the middle of the cell, and cell is covered by a cell membrane. In between the nucleus and the cell membrane there is a liquid part present called cytoplasm. So this is basically the structure of cell, but there are some differences between the plant cells and animal cells. In the leaves of the plants also the cells are present, and in between these cells there are some tiny pores. There are some tiny pores which helps in the transpiration of water and also the exchange of gases. As you know that during the process of photosynthesis, instead of making carbohydrates, oxygen is also released in this process, and oxygen is the vital gas which is important for our life. Without oxygen we can't live. So photosynthesis provides us two basic needs: food for us and also oxygen for us. Without plants we cannot imagine our life. Animals are directly or indirectly dependent on the plants, and plants for the process of photosynthesis are dependent on the sun. So sun is the only source of energy on the earth. So now let's discuss about the process of photosynthesis. This process of photosynthesis takes place in leaves. On the upper surface of leaf and the lower surface there are tiny pores which are guarded by guard cells, and these tiny pores are called stomata. Its structure is somewhat like this, and these are guard cells. These are pores called stomata and these are called guard cells. So these help in the exchange of gas and also the transpiration, also the process of transpiration. So a pigment, very important pigment, that is green pigment called chlorophyll, helps in this process. In the presence of sunlight, this green pigment chlorophyll, which is present in the cells of plants, help in making food. That is, I can write it in an equation that by using carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and here chlorophyll of leaves prepare food, that is carbohydrate plus oxygen gas is released. So this is the common equation of photosynthesis. Why it is called photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesize means to prepare. So to prepare the food in presence of light is called photosynthesis. So you must be knowing about the structure of leaf. This is the structure of leaf. This is its main rib. and these are smaller ribs. Here there are stomata present on the upper surface and also on the lower surface, which help in the exchange of gases and also in transpiration. So this is the general process of photosynthesis. I hope you must have understood about this process. Thank you.